guys, I hope everyone's doing well today. Before we get into the video about how to have these beautiful little panels, before I get into the video, I want to mention about my Twitch channel. If you guys are interested in people who stream video games and interact with their channel a lot, as in like with their chat and take suggestions and respond very quickly, then go ahead and look me up, watch some of my past broadcasts, and my schedule right here is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. I need to fix that right there. But if you guys want to know how I set up my banners as well as my panels and stuff, I can make a separate video on that. But this video is strictly on about how to make free panels for your channel, so you're not having to pay, designers and stuff, so that way you can save a couple bucks and stuff. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the thing I used is right here, Twitch Panel Maker Nerd or Die. It's one of the first things. So what you look up is a free Twitch Panel Maker. I'll have this link down below for you. And so what you do is press get started, or you can just scroll down. And what you want to do is, if you stream on Mixer, it shows you how it looks on Mixer. You stream on Twitch Lite or stream on Twitch Dark, as in like if someone chooses that option, this is what it's going to look like. So you want it to make sure it looks good with either or. So these little icon right here, you can change it to what you want to use. So let's say you want to make a Facebook link. So you would put the little Facebook icon, and how to edit the text is text content right here. So let's say my Facebook was Perea Marnez, I don't know, and you see how it cuts off a little bit right there. Let's put the font size a little bit smaller. We can make it really big or really small. What we can also do is we can put it all in caps. Perea Marnez. If you like it better in caps, I personally like it all in caps. As you can see here, I put it all in caps because I felt like it looked a bit more professional in my opinion. You can put it in italics, and you can also change it to your liking if you want it cursive, or you want it to make it look a little bit more professional. But they have a lot of options of font. So let's say I want to make it look more professional, and maybe I don't want it all caps. That's how it would look without all caps. But also you want to make sure it looks good in the dark, the light, and if you do Mixer. So let's say I don't want this green color. How can you change the color of that? Colors right here, icon background color, you want to make sure it matches. So let's say your theme on Twitch was blue and you didn't want to do green, and let's say your theme was kind of like this aquamarine type of blue, and you can adjust it to your liking if you like it more of a pale kind, or if you like it more of a strictly thicker type of blue. Let's say that you're more of like that type of blue, like a darker, mysterious type of blue, and you're like, you know what, I really don't like this dark purple that goes with it. I'm more of like purplish or light purple or something like that, or maybe orange. Your theme is dark blue, and then maybe that type, and let's say maybe you want to switch it. Maybe you want this to be blue and this to be that color, and let's say I don't like it that low and I feel like it's not high enough. So go to positioning, you go to vertical positions, you can move it up and down. So you like it way down there or way up here, you can, but let's kind of like center it a little bit better, and this is to move it left to right. So let's center it like that. You can move the icon as well, but I would not suggest that unless you feel like you want to move it around a lot. Enable icon shadow, so you can also angle the shadow of the icon however you like it, but you want to keep it kind of like that, or you can take it off or have it on there. I personally like it. I like the effect it gives, or you can just disable the icon and just have that there, but I feel like the icon enhances the experience that you give the people. You can just look through it as well. There's that. We already know about the coloring, we already know about the positioning. So just make sure it looks good between black and dark and for your mixer. So let's say, oh, you know, I really like this, I like how it looks. You could press save panel image right here, and whatever you save the name as is going to be for that. So remember what you saved it as and what you named it as, so that way they can click on it. So let's add this quote unquote panel to my panels. So let's press the little edit panel, so make sure it has a little check mark, add it, add text or image panel. You don't need to name it, and you don't have to put a description if you don't want to. So let's add image, click or drag file. So the good thing about Windows 10 is that it automatically brings it as the first thing. So as you can see here, I have a few different types that I made. Press open and press done. So you can see it says Perea Marnez, and you can just put the link here, any type of link, and press submit. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this for myself, and these are what all my panels look like. I feel like it looks pretty organized, pretty solid. I could always, you know, update. I need actually to update that right now. So as you can update, you can always just go back, double make sure it looks professional enough, and voila, submit. And it has my edit in there. So editing panels is pretty easy. But let's say you want to switch the icon. Let's say you wanted to, you know, add your Snapchat. It changes the icon automatically, so you don't have to mess with the colors. If you feel like this is like the perfect color for you, the perfect color scheme, and you want to like edit your font or whatever, you can just type in whatever and then change it to what you want. But I would suggest, you know, staying to the same font that you use, so that way it's not random and it doesn't look unorganized and stuff. So if you have big words, you can just, you know, readjust font size and move it up and down. But if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Twitch channel. I stream Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 11:30 to 2 p.m. 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. and I do possible streams on Friday and Sundays depending on my schedule. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a great day.